What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be wrapping part of the car. We're going to wrap one side of the car. I'm not feeling too well, I have allergies, so I'm going to go ahead and just time lapse what I can. But we're going to do the driver's side first, and that's the main part that I want to record. And then when I get a little better, we're going to do the passenger side where there's more lighting on that side of the garage, and it's going to be pretty nice. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright guys, welcome back. So we just finished doing the driver side doors and the quarter panel. Relatively easy. The car is pretty much square, so it's pretty easy to wrap this car. As you can see, I already put the handle on here, looking really nice. I do have the door cups in here, so we left that on and wrapped over it. Hopefully it doesn't peel back like before. Look inside here. Went through all the knifeless tape that we could to get a nice clean line all the way through. Down there we're going to do a separate piece for the side skirt, because on these Acura and Hondas they have this rough textured area here, so I didn't want to jeopardize a whole piece from the quarter panel to do that. So I'm going to do a separate piece here, and if it fails we can do it over again and, you know, collaborate what we're going to do. But on the last time it was white, it did peel back a lot, so I'm hoping with some new strategies and techniques I can actually make this looking really nice. So we'll see how that goes. But right now, car looking really nice. It's hard to capture the color here. It's kind of gold, kind of copper, kind of pink, but it's looking really nice. It's well in here, super clean. On the edge there's actually a trim that covers all this up, so we don't have to worry about tucking too deep in there, but I did get as deep as I could. Also for here, I loosened the fender a little bit, as you can see, to get the vinyl in there as much as I can. But even so, you're not going to see the color underneath, and even if you do, it's gray, not going to be too noticeable. The roof has to be gloss black, so we're going to be doing that in gloss black as well. So yeah, I'm trying to get as many video footage as I can on this car and do some how-tos for those who wants to learn how to work on the satin and things like that. But trying to knock it out this weekend, trying not to rush as well, but hopefully I feel a little better tomorrow. We're gonna finish it up as much as we can on a Sunday. Right now it's Saturday, so yeah, this is the original color. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.